Hello everyone. Here are the two Domino People stair climbers by Zonzini. We've used our experience to design the perfect electric stair climber for people with impaired mobility. High-tech, easy to maneuver and safe, Domino People can negotiate stairways of all types without the passenger having to leave the wheelchair. Hello Clara, how do you feel? Great! I feel stable, and it's like a dream come true for me to be able to get up and down the stairs without any complications. Zonzini's technology automatically tilts the wheelchair while climbing or descending stairs, meaning the operator can concentrate on using the joystick to steer the stair climber. Domino People has independent tracks to negotiate spiral stairways too. The joystick makes it easy to change direction and ensure maximum stability on steps of any height and material. When it reaches the landing and stops on the top step, Domino People starts to close its tracks automatically. Domino People has one huge benefit over fixed stair lifts: flexibility. With Zonzini's special high-performance tracks, for both indoor and outdoor use, Domino People can be used on different stairways for different requirements and then put away when not needed. We're thinking about situations where there's no lift or it's too small. Domino People doesn't need a fixed structure on each floor. It doesn't interfere with the building's architecture, and it doesn't create any bureaucratic problems. The tracks are made of a special material, so the Domino People doesn't leave any marks. The size of the base and the color of the structure can be personalized to match different needs and tastes. As we've seen, there are two Domino People models. The biggest Domino People can carry both manual and electric wheelchairs weighing up to 400 kilos. Bigger wheels suitable for outdoor surfaces and the possibility of removing the platform to transform the Domino People into a normal cargo trolley make it the ideal solution for spaces with room for maneuver, like public buildings. The slim version of Domino People is designed to carry manual wheelchairs weighing up to 160 kilos. Narrower with smaller wheels but the same smooth ride, it is ideal for home staircases without needing a fixed structure. Domino People, technology and safety for an easier everyday life.